Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today I'm going to show you how I crochet this hair in without using any crochet hooks. And I do have these individually parted using the crochet hair. And this is the 8th day that these braids have been in my head. So make sure you stay to the end of the video so you can get the update. And I used 6 packs of hair and this took me about 6 hours to complete. Yeah, let's get into it. Information card. I have 7 packs of hair. Alright you guys, so here's the Crochet Passion Twist. Very lightweight and fluffy. And it is 12 in each pack. So there's a total of 84 twists. Okay, so I washed and conditioned my hair last night in the shower. Just put in these buns and let it air dry. So I'm going to be parting my hair and doing squares this time. And I'm going to show you guys how I do one in the front. And then I'm going to get off camera, do the back of my head. Because I got to go get an oil change. And I'm going to do my hair at the oil change place. I ain't playing no games, baby. Call me ghetto, call me what you want. But baby, I got money to make. And on this style, I'm going to be going back and forth using my 24-hour edge tamer and using my glue. So we'll see. But first start off, I'm using the edge control. I like to put my edge control first so that I'm putting it on dry hair and it'll stay. Then I go and add some leave-in conditioner to my ends. So here's the twist. I just open it up and then I put my hair right in between it like that. And then I plait my hair. With that, because you have 3 pieces. This is my hair. And these are the 2 pieces of the crochet twist. Then just continue to braid down. I do it like 3-4 times. And then we're going to twist this hair kind of back. And then wrap my hair around the crochet hair. Just putting it in between the loops. And if your hair comes loose when you do this, you can try adding a rubber band at the end. And boom. I'm pulling on it. See? That's one. Okay, y'all. So this is how much I got done at the dealership. You see my parts aren't too neat, but they're pretty good. So I'm just gonna finish braiding my hair. And y'all, I guess because it's Friday, my car is still not done. But mom had to come pick me up. And then we went to the arcade like to waste time and it still wasn't done. And yes, my hair was like this. But I put the twist on top to try to make it look better. And I ran out of edge control, so I had to stop and get this edge control. That's by Pink. So when I did this braid, I just kind of twisted and put the hair in between. But in the back where my hair was getting a little thicker, what I did was I just start off with a little small braid. Again, still open this up and put it on there to braid it together. Everything is still the same. I just braid it down a little bit. And then go ahead and twist it around. Sometimes I just take it and do like this, like just kind of open it up a bit and push it around. Hold on, make sure I got some edge control on my ends. And then kind of open it up as I twist so that my hair will be in between the twists. You can't just twist these two together. No, you need your hair in between the crochet hair. Then when I get to my ends, I actually put my hair on one side and just twist it down until I reach the end of it. Twirl a little bit and boom. See? And then I did all of these earlier. As you see, my hair is still in there. But I'm going to show you guys before I take my hair out how it held up. So make sure you watch to the end of the video. Y'all see that? It's easy if you put like a lot of edge control on it. Oh, I bet y'all are done with my car now. So some of my blocks I start off with a braid like this one. And then some of them I just start off with my hair. See, this one I didn't braid first. I just kind of did a twist. And this way is a little less time consuming because you're not starting off with that braid. So when you do this one, you need to make sure you get it close to the root. And I twist this how it's supposed to go back, and then just twist it around. And the best part about this style is that we are not using the crochet hook. So either way, you know, I always gotta come and throw you guys a couple different options, because everybody learn different, you know. And plus, when I start on one side of my head, and by the time I get to the other side, I'm doing it completely different. Like, I need to see what looks the best. Okay, they look really good. And I still have 2 packs of hair left, so I definitely should have enough. I'm on my last row. I done already pre-sectioned it off. I'm not braiding these, but I'm braiding my edges just to make sure, you know, like my nappy edges are caught into the braid, okay? Put it through. Go ahead and do your nice little braid. And I'm gonna twist it. You have to twist the correct way. Your hair should be going in between the little twists. Then when I get to the end, and wrap the hair around just one little side, then twist it. And all of these, I'm just gonna start off with no braid, pull the hair through, and then braid my hair down a little bit. Get this back a little nice and neat, and then twist my hair right around it. Kind of open it up if you need, just to make sure the hair is in between the groove. Kind of open it up and wrap it around. Not just twisting it, even though I am, but it's just going in between the grooves. So if you're having trouble, you can slightly open it and wrap it. Then when I get to the end, open it up and just wrap one side. Twist, twist, boom. I would say this took about 5 hours. It didn't take too long, but it wasn't really quick. And I still have a pack of hair left, a full pack plus like 4 twists. All done, yes. I'm gonna do this little twist pull back thing. All done, yes. All right, now let me follow everything up with some of my hair oil. Click the link down below if you would like to purchase. And here are my individual crochet passion twists that I achieved without using any hooks. Straight fingers. All right, you guys, so it is 8 days later, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like before we go out, like, you know, before I do my makeup and flick my edges down again. So this is pretty much how I've been wearing my hair, just down like this. And you can see here my hair is still intact, like it's still in between the twist. However, you can see where it's like getting frizzy and trying to come out. See, look at this one. It's not out completely. This one right here. So my hair isn't completely out, but I can see right here. This one is kind of coming out. Maybe I didn't wrap it all the way in there too good. See the back ones? Let's check out this side. But you see here, for the most part, everything is still intact. That's kind of out. See this one? twist that back in for the day. Boom. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you're afraid that your hair is going to come out, or you don't want like even this little bit coming out, then after you twist it, like I'm going to twist this one back in. So what I would have done, just take a rubber band, put it right at the end where my hair stops. I'm just going to wrap it 3 times. See that? I have a black rubber band. If you look close, you can see it, but if you do it this way, you don't have to worry about your ends coming out. Yeah, so if you're worried about your hair coming out, just put the rubber band at the end and you'll be good, sis. It is 8 days later. I can definitely keep it in longer, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it out because I got other styles to do. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update. And these are the steps that I pretty much do every day. I leave in conditioner, and then I follow up with some hair oil. Alright you guys, let me show you how I remove them. Alright you guys, so I did 2 different, methods with this braiding pattern. So on the ends, I actually braided my hair first and then added the crochet hair, which those lasted a little longer. See, this one on the edge, I started off with a braid, and then I also used that She Is Bum glue, which is like a gel, so those really held on really well. Versus this one right here, I'm ready to take out. I just twisted my hair and then braided the hair in. I didn't start off with the braid, so that one was easy to come out, but I still had to like kind of unravel the hair for the ends. But this one right here, girl, that one just slid right out. But like this one, I actually braided this one first, so I'm actually having to like unbraid it, and then I'm able to slide them out. As you can see here, the hair is not messed up too much, so you can reuse it if you want, but it is kind of like out of shape. So yeah, that's all you have to do is just kind of unbraid your hair and then pull them out. And I just kind of like twisted that back, made me a little new style. That's it. But yeah, you guys definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. And this is to answer some of the questions to my other crochet video where everyone's like, okay, like, do they last? Do your hair come out? Here's your answers. And I treated them like any other style. I wore them up, I wore them down, but every night I did sleep with a bonnet on. So yeah. All right, you guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.